Hey Unbox fam! Welcome back to the channel where we take awesome out of the box. My name is Leia. I hope that you guys are safe. I hope that you guys are doing well despite our current situation. Actually, very timely nga yung product na pag-uusapan natin ngayon because this is the Huawei Band 4 Pro, and now more than ever we have to take care of ourselves. We have to be healthy. Kami ni Jamie dito sa house, we're trying to eat healthier and we're trying to be more active. So sakto, we really got to try this out. But before we get to that, here's a quick reminder to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. We are currently giving away a TV from Extreme, and the mechanics will be in the description box below. Check nyo na lang guys. Good luck! So let's start with the look of the Huawei Band 4 Pro. I got the more pink color variant, although it also comes in black and red. So it depends on you kung ano yung mas type mo, kung ano yung personality mo. But for me, swak talaga sa akin tong soft pastel color. And I know I just work out from home. It's not like people will see what I'm wearing. But personally, I kind of find it helpful pagka you're dressed properly for your workout. It energizes me to go on kahit na pagod na ako. For the display, I think it's pretty good. It's big, it's responsive. Kaya lang kakainis because I keep on accidentally pressing the back button. So to keep that from happening, I just turned on the rotate to switch screen option. So all I have to do is kind of move my wrist to toggle on to see the menu, and it works. One thing I love about it is ang daming watch faces, ang dami mong options, and you can easily change it using the health app. So I went for the one with cherry blossoms just because I think it fits the color of my watch best. Okay, so let's talk about the battery. According to Huawei, it should last you 7 days on a single charge, and I've only been using it for 3 days and a half, and it's at 66%, so I think that's pretty good. Although, full confession, hindi ko siya suot palagi. Sometimes I just have to remove it to air out my wrist kasi ang init na talaga ngayon. But it's a good thing that the material is easy to clean, easy to disinfect, and that's exactly what we should be doing, lalo na ngayon. One thing na meron yung Band 4 na hindi Pro version na wala dito is yung ability to just remove the strap and plug it directly to charge. Kasi this one has a separate charger, so syempre, mas prone siya maiwan, mas prone siya makalimutan. But then again, the battery does last pretty long, so maybe it's okay. Okay, so let's talk about the features. Syempre, it's a watch. It tells us the time and the date, and it has a step counter. Sabi nila, healthy people should be taking 10,000 steps a day, and I have to work on that. I'm just home, so I've been falling short on that department. And then, it also has a heart rate monitor, and nakita niya, na-record niya na tumaas yung heart rate ko while I was watching Kingdom on Netflix Season 2. This is not a sponsored video, guys, but you really should watch it. It's an amazing show. And then, third, it monitors your sleep. So in my case, sabi niya, I only slept for 5 hours, which wasn't enough. This was last night. And out of the 5 hours, isang oras lang malalim yung tulog ko. So I should be working on that. We should all be getting enough sleep because we need to keep our body resistance up. And then other features that are useful, it has notifications. So you know if you have messages, you don't have to carry your phone with you all the time. And for Jamie to, merong Find My Phone feature. Jamie tends to keep on forgetting where he puts his phone, so it tells you that, hey, I'm here, and all you have to do is press a button on the watch. So that's great. So yeah, and last thing, it allows you to control the music on your smartphone because sometimes you really need good music to be pumped up for our workouts. As for workouts, there are 11 modes that include cycling, that's indoor and outdoor, running, walking, rowing, cross-training, and swimming. Actually, this band is water-resistant up to 50 meters. But personally, I just use free training. I'm just home. We're on lockdown. So I work out from home. I follow free YouTube videos. Don't we just love YouTube? And it's great that I can track my progress using this band. One awesome thing about the Band 4 Pro is that it has a built-in GPS. Take note na wala to dun sa non-Pro version. So, what makes it different from the ones na may GPS compatibility, which is what's available in many fitness bands today? Well, with a built-in GPS, you don't have to bring your phone around when you go cycling, when you go running, kasi minsan hassle lang talaga yon, baka malaglag pa. With the built-in GPS, all the information is stored inside the watch. The Huawei Band 4 Pro is 2,990 pesos. Now, do you need it to stay healthy or to work on your fitness? Well, I wouldn't say need, but it's definitely a great thing to have because sometimes we just have to see our progress for us to keep going. We just have to see our progress to keep our eyes on the goal, and this is a great way to keep track. Fam, that's it for this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, follow us on Facebook and on Instagram. My name is Leia. Stay safe, guys. Till the next video. Bye!